Madame, what's your neck painful now?
Est-ce que, Francine, est-ce que ta nuque est en douleur en ce moment? Tu as mal à la nuque en ce moment?
C'est raide, c'est très serré.
It's very stiff.
Stiff?
It's very
Is it
stiff.
crunching when you move it?
Est-ce que tu as un sentiment d'écrasement quand tu bouges ta nuque?
Oh yes, I feel crunching.
Je sens ces os qui en appellent à se mettre en place.
Madame, is it painful?
Est-ce que ça fait mal?
Ça m'empêche
It keeps me,
de vraiment vivre, quoi.
it keeps me from living fully.
Jesus healed that neck, right?
Yes, joy is coming.
Et la
Yes,
joie,
that's the flower.
John, bring her away from the mayor.
Okay, this lady.
Heals the sick, and he heals the lame. Says you can do it too, in Jesus' name.